As the world of language learning models is starting to establish itself, Google has rolled out their version of the tool that is trying to get ahead of its competition. Meet Google Bard, their answer to a recently introduced ChatGPT. Now if you take these two at their face value, they may seem like the same thing, but keep in mind that Bard AI has access to live data from the web, whereas ChatGPT is limited to data up to 2021. This is a huge advantage that Google currently hold over OpenAI's language learning model. So to access Google Bard, you will need to go to bard.google.com and click on Try Bard. A window that goes through your privacy and data that will be shared with Google will pop up on your screen. For this, you will have to scroll all the way to the bottom for the Agree button to appear. Thankfully, there is not much scrolling to do. You can then opt in to keep up to date with news about Google Bard, which is still in its early stages of development and is bound to receive many updates, or you can just click Continue and that's it. You're in. Google are saving themselves from any legal trouble and exploits by stating at the bottom that Bard may display inaccurate or offensive information that does not represent Google's views. But now let's discuss what it can actually do. So the possibilities are almost limitless with this tool. You can provide a list of ingredients from your fridge and ask for a recipe, or you can ask for help writing a novel. Think of it as a know-it-all wise head minus the often associated arrogant nature that comes with these people. It is there purely to serve your needs and answer the questions you want answers to. Bard has live access to the internet, allowing you to get live data and recommendations. For example, you can see if Elon Musk has tweeted something outrageous and the Tesla stock has plummeted again. Now, although Google states the answers may be inaccurate, Bard's interface makes it incredibly easy for you to fact check it. Just click the Google It button. You can also upvote or downvote the answers provided to you, which will help improve Bard in the long run. In this case, the data was accurate, therefore it gets a thumbs up from us. Now, another example of how Bard could be useful to you is this. Let's say you are visiting London and you would like to find a nearby sushi restaurant. Provide your location, or better, choose a landmark you are closest to and ask for it to find you one. It will come up with a list of recommendations and you can make an informed decision. The days of checking TripAdvisor manually seem to be coming to an end, especially once this makes its way to the Google Play Store as well as Apple's App Store. ChatGPT have already introduced their app version for this that is available to iPhone users, and Google will soon follow suit. We have a strong suspicion that they may prioritize their Android audience instead. Do not be surprised if you find this app pre-installed on the latest Google Pixel phones in a year's time. Google Bard can be an extremely powerful tool and make for the perfect personal assistant. If you would like more than just a couple of basic examples, we will be going into more detail on how to use it soon. One thing is for certain, this will revolutionize the conventional web browsing methods. Make sure you stay ahead of the curve.